What's up, y'all? Back at it, like crack at it, with another one. First off, hope y'all having a beautiful and blessed day. Let's get straight into it. What is the most important thing in life? Now, some of y'all might say money. Some of y'all might say a lot of materialistic things. But let me tell you, the most important thing in life is something you can't even see with these two eyes. The most important thing in life is energy. Think about it. Your job pays you money. You might say money is the most important thing, but if money is the most important thing, then why does your job give you money? In exchange for what? It gives you money in exchange for energy. You see, these corporations, America, everybody, they know this shit. They just don't tell you it. So the most important thing is energy. Okay, you give in 9 hours of your energy, of your work, just to get $100, $100. Money's nothing. To these corporations, they have infinite money. So once you listen, they have infinite money. So they not, the corporations, America, et cetera, they're not worried about money. What they focus on now is energy. Once you get into a point of spiritual development, or once you get into a point of you either reach this point of having spiritual development, or you reach this point of having a bunch of money, right? You realize that money is not the most important thing. The most important thing is energy. Straight up. Conserve your energy and direct your energy in certain places. Because a lot of people, like jobs, for example, a lot of people want to take your energy, steal your energy, as they say. Energy vampires, succubus, demons, motherfucking everybody. A lot of entities. They want to take your energy. So what we got to do as spiritually awakened people is we have to be conscious and aware about where our energy actually goes. So right now, my energy is going towards you. My energy is going towards this video. However long this video is, however long this video takes, that is what my energy is directed towards right now. But later on, my energy could direct towards other things, and this and that. You get what I'm saying? Whatever your energy is directed towards is what manifests. So for example, a lot of people want you to go vote. A lot of people want you to direct your energy towards voting. Now what they're asking for you to do is they're asking for a piece of your energy, a piece of your time. See, time is energy. It's the same thing. Whatever you direct your time towards, that's whatever you direct your energy towards. So they're asking for a piece of your energy, a piece of your time. That's why you ain't got work today. Like, people really want you to go vote. And the whole reason, I'll make another video, but the whole reason why they want you to go vote is just so we can have faith in this crumbling democracy that we call America. But that's a whole nother video. My point is, your energy is very important. It very is. And energy could be a lot of small things too. It could be you talking to somebody. You know what I'm saying? It could be how you talk to somebody, how you speak to somebody. Sometimes people just want your energy. They just want your attention. Sometimes you could be vibrating so high that people just want a piece of that for themselves. So direct your energy. Give it to certain things. Give your energy towards things that you want to manifest positively in your life. Because if you keep giving your energy towards things that operate on a lower vibration, then it will manifest and it will create that lower vibration within yourself, within your reality. You may be really into learning about the government and all this stuff, but you got to see how that develops in your mindset. Is that giving you a scarcity mindset? It's all about awareness at the end of the day. So you can still be into whatever you're into, but you gotta see how that how that is creating a reality, how your energy is being put towards that. Is it being, if your energy is being put towards that thing which is negative, it shall create negativity. If your energy is being put towards that which is positive, it shall create positivity. That's why nowadays, yes, I do consume media that I want to learn more about the world and more about the government and all that. But I more often consume media that is more positive, that is more about things like making money, spiritual development, spiritual abundance. That's the media that I choose to consume. You have to choose where your awareness goes. That's why I don't like Instagram, because when you go on Instagram, a lot of it is just random, right? You don't know what the next post is when you scroll. So it's a random algorithm that is directing your energy towards a certain thing. Even if you don't have a reaction towards it, which most of the time you do, you always usually have a reaction towards an Instagram post or whatever. But once you see it, that's your energy going directly towards that. And in turn, it's creating a reality. Now, it's not like changing your entire worldview, but it is putting its little 2 cents into what you see with your 5 senses. So a lot of these people can't go on NoFap, they can't go on semen retention. Why is that? Is it because you're directing your energy towards these Instagram posts where girls are showing their ass and showing their titties? Maybe. That's a little bit of your energy going towards that. That's a little bit of your energy, and it's creating a reality. Now you can't stop watching porn. That's just how it is. People be broke, people not have money, but are you consuming media that contributes? Are you consuming media that may be helping you to find ways to give you money, to find ways to reach that abundance that you seek? Are you consuming media that gives you a scarcity mindset? It's all about awareness. It's all about what your awareness, it's all about your awareness towards where your energy is going, because it's all about energy. It's what you see. Energy is what you see on your 5 sensory data. It's what you see, what you smell, what you touch, what you taste, what you hear. What you hear. It's all that. All those sensory datas, that's what creates your reality, including the 6th sense. And the 6th sense is the spirit, is the pineal gland, is the consciousness. So where is your energy going towards? Is it going towards something positive? Is it going towards something negative? Is it going towards abundance? Is it going towards scarcity? Whichever way it is going is what creates your reality and what influences your consciousness and influences your spirit, the 6th sense. So, really hope you guys resonated with the words I spoke on today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, all that. Free consultations on Instagram, like always. Daily videos, like always. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.